okayfm 101.7.
Mi kwa miankasa minua ho lawyer Abraham Amaliba na yene no enko twetwe enkomo kansa me mo che no pay
me yo so esen
boko na uso
me ho ya
you Assin North issue na e wo court eja wo na wo hye asia kopim baabi a utwe hu free mu na ebepim judgment ba ye we be say what are your comments?
Oh, judgment on the media. I anticipated the judgment. Not me crampo. Meaning that this is going to be the judgment. So I'm not surprised. I knew that this would be the outcome. I anticipated it. So I am.
At the end, now dream, sir. Say judgment, no say ne beba.
Oh, okay, sir. There was at the corner a man may shame me home free case no more judge no a can't be court and I may can't say one train home free. And for me, that is the exact thing I want here. Or no, I can't say, or no, dear Nanka. James question. He should have renounced the citizenship and after allegiance to Canada at the time of nomination. Into what can't I make say, oh, sir, your case is what can't idea. That means you have already taken a position. And what can't I no. One say one wakasa, but one no one film, and that's how come I left the case. So I'm not surprised.
They just say what a preemptive judgment in what break na pleadings in Niama would walk also.
Exactly, and this matter made it to just it's in the record made it to just that's the basis upon which I left the case.
Sabra now we said ka one recusing who from the case, you know. We and by way of application, I said we are not kind of keke.
Oh, me catch them in open court, me was assembly and me catch them. But what person me can open court I say and I say young court in chambers, and I say young court in chambers. So it was in chambers I told him with the other lawyers, Frank Davis, Mobia, no more.
Yeah, who declare say judge no be yes na ma me mra asem we su pa. The issue na article 94 ho no. Yes mo raise point be say it's a matter assess the Supreme Court and they determine it's not for the High Court to determine. I want to say
exactly. You can say whether or not Obi a citizen and I say oath allegiance to another country no. A matter of constitutional interpretation. A matter of constitutional interpretation, no. A Supreme Court plan of which now interpreted into he should refer the matter to the Supreme Court. What's the 1 year? In its ruling, how can I say? Oh, Article 94, where two no, interpreted that into one of the he can go ahead and interpret it. That is wrong. That is wrong because interpretation no for Supreme Court. Now, can say, 94.2 is clear, it is unambiguous, no. What you are engaged in is construing that provision. The fact that one can say, it is clear, it is unambiguous, until I'll go ahead, no. Me say, what you are doing, no, by saying that it is clear, it's unambiguous, no, you are construing that provision, one can say, and that work is for the Supreme Court. And I want Jane too.
Okay, me too.
Into Osha, no ruling now, no judgment, no. The main issue, no, not what patch, let's say, and after MPP for petition and call was say James Question should have renounced his citizenship at the time of nomination. I say when the EC opened the post. And I can't say there be Osha PLE law 284 section 21D. Actually, the time that is relevant so already now citizenship no at the time of his election. You hear the argument almost say, but election any event is a process until it starts from nomination. And I mean people almost say, why are you starting from nomination? Because Say, oh, yeah, registered voter. Oh, you MP. So why don't you send it back to the time of registration? Why are you cutting it off from with your first nomination? I'm law, no. Now, said there's a word called nomination, but they chose the word election. And yes, sir, when I'm back at you, say it starts from nomination. When indeed, law, no. Election period of election. Now, your constitution, I say, a person shall not become a member of parliament if he owes allegiance to another country. Maybe besides the time I'm in work case, maybe besides judge, my lord, and yes, sir, you have to answer this question. But yes, see, obi a judge. Come then over a judge. Is it when the president announces his name and I say that person swears the oath of office? So you shall not be a member of parliament if you owe allegiance to another country. When do you become a member of parliament? It's when you are sworn in. Now, what is the reason behind this law? They don't want you to be sitting in parliament. You have access to classified information and you can give it to another country. That's why this law is there. Now, tell me, how can Obia walk up picking nomination form? Obia walk up picking nomination form. How is it dangerous to Ghana? What information would he have? Obeka said, at that time, he should have renounced his citizenship. The law intended that Obia what parliament, what citizen, at that point, he shouldn't owe allegiance to another country. So, all these arguments were put forward.
Now, Mami, the issue of allegiance and citizenship in law, difference room.
Difference room. Every Ghana equal green card, equal America, and they put them in the U.S. Army. They will tell you that they were not citizens, but they swore an oath of allegiance. I don't know whether that example can make you understand.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Yes. So, you see, we have lost an opportunity. The Supreme Court has never, ever had the opportunity to give us an interpretation of allegiance and citizenship. Now, our first case were equal. This would have been the best opportunity for the Supreme Court to deal with the matter and let all of us know what's the difference between allegiance and citizenship.
The Supreme Court are competent enough to give interpretation on such matters.
Sure. And I want to say, judge, you can't say, oh, this has been interpreted already. It is clear. It is unambiguous.
As my work can okotu authority be and a case lobby.
Yes. Now you see the NATO case,
as another case, okay.
Now the NATO case, now it's not about allegiance. The NATO case, now it was about Obia one need voter ID card, and I said Obia
one voted, yeah.
Obia one register or person one year MP. That is different. This particular man, the MP, or if one the former MP, one of the he has registered. So we've gone past that stage. This case is different from that case. You can use the NATO case to apply to this particular matter.
I see. Now, Akoye say, Matisse commentary has been running. Say it's a travesty of justice. Nature say attentrene and to me anye juma. And no, apart from the uhu ye ayake kamwasemi citizenship and allegiance, ye different. Now fake one assessing ka Supreme Court and the timima interpretation on this matter of Article 94 no near the idea no. Who say a travesty of justice?
Oh yes, the people of your friends, Assin North concerns have been shortchanged, almost aligned, and almost voting map, and at that point, official vote for 2,700, almost 3,000, and so he was lawfully elected, and yet the elections and yet but just because say obite. There are a lot of people who thought that What the parliament how kunum prapo what dual citizenship? Don't you think that on this people are thinking say what the parliament how kunum prapo what dual citizenship? Man, renounce citizenship before we went for elections.
Lawyer, Mami Musa, another question. Say will be citizens will be. No mni ade no e de be bo say foreign law na ye foreign law no say bia mfan say Australia Canada no mni ade no say bia me put in the application to renounce my citizenship na bia wo so okay ya pene so na mum twen say bia busumi nsia certificate ni be ba sa de mitimi ko fa e ba me ha ba interpret.
That is a very good question. One other procedural error a court to People's High Court. And it's you can't say this is a matter of foreign law. A matter of foreign law, no. You need to adduce evidence. You must bring experts say experts in Canadian law. And I say you ever call Canadian embassy in Ghana has, and I say you ever lawyer every Canada to come and check the witness box and give evidence. One will say all the parliamentary petitions will find every in them.
Where we in Temba?
What if one fact evidence? One man will be on witness box. We should write our legal argument. Now, on the own man judge. That was another injustice that was meant to us.
Were there encophobia and Nankamu as witnesses are on the
foreign law?
It's about foreign law, yeah?
It's about foreign law. It's about foreign law. So, this issue of allegiance would have come to find out. Okay, in Canada, allegiance, no, and citizenship, no, they come together and answer in Canada. Once you put in the application, the allegiance goes, and you now wait for citizenship. We all say the way I'm asking the question. This was how you would have asked the question of Obia one witness box. We lost this opportunity. We were not allowed.
In all the proceedings, Yenya, the defendant in my one ankasa ever chere na semu.
Debbie.
okayfm.
Debbie. And even before I left the case, I told the judge, my lord, rules of natural justice exist before you can take a decision on somebody. Just allow that person to air his views. Manankasa. Then after that, you can take a decision. What's it, David?
Me too.
And maybe what's it, David?
Okay. So, written submissions, you know. When did you close your case? Bra okasa munya written submissions no moya wie no e na bra me start say mo sa the application bi ba sa application no e kosi say
woman order say am file a written address and na ye court Supreme Court and na ye catch them say yantimi am file written addresses na e bra we are in the Supreme Court because we have to wait to hear what the Supreme Court is saying. And now yeah, we are Supreme Court. The Supreme Court, for example, in the way I can say, yeah, our ruling, no, rule, like I said, we should go back and file a motion or an application. Let's say one fair case to the Supreme Court, and no motion, no, and an application and can file an apano and do no, and register to a 2 months.
Be na register ebia na 1 week celebration bia be na bibia wu a say no so monte
celebration
na me kan say kwa ze mo kwa no obi na mo kwa no register ni obi a madwuma say register office o ya na nyo no nko a
yes register now example
no
o ni patrona filing clerk you from filing clerk one ena now one new and when you know you can't file anything filing clerk. The point is that I didn't obi and to me a general man. Why couldn't they have asked somebody say, I munko buamo no normal file? Why didn't they do that?
Now I want to mean Yankasa. I know a registrar Nankasa say what is happening.
No, they were there with the registrar. Registrar said, "Well, no, what say, or Shani perform never," and nothing happened.
Wow. Ah, na me te say bra. Now wa mugina wa na omote ya say try judgment.
That's what I'm saying because me I wasn't there. So the point said, a man to me and file that process. No, that process was not also on the docket. So once it's not on the docket, the judge decided to go on with his judgment.
Okay, another friend of legal profession, more profession, was say, do you swear an oath of allegiance to become a citizen of Canada? What Kwame, you swear an oath of allegiance to the Queen, who is head of state of Canada, to become citizen of Canada. It was say, aha, open in Chemo to say.
Oh, I know that's a foreign law. So, no air country or no air person say. Oath, no, it's to the it's not to the Canadian government as a country, no, it is to the Queen. That's what he's saying.
Ultimate was yeah, Muamu say he who alleges must prove. That is the plaintiff, no. A defendant, no. Sabre a basen ko obeyin one word defendia. And no on the preponderance of probability and answer the.
Yeah, in civil matters, and yet it's a criminal matters when it is about the burden of proof is beyond reasonable doubt. Where preponderance of probability, yes, so you are right.
Okay. Say ka wo man futuo pa. E dia futuo na ode bema ama me fan say our manyukuo any the MP in question.
Oh, MP no dey and anajo. Yes, circulate judgment na my lawyers no nyina on be share ene no. So they are read it and so yes share and to take the next step. If you want to know we'll pursue the matter. There's already an application for an appeal rather is on the way. So we appeal against the judgment. The next details, will come when we meet today. Now, for Assin constituent, we'll make sure votes now almost to Abano. It is clear say almost to Emma the friend James Question. And we'll ensure say we'll use all legal means to protect their votes.
To protect
when
enchemu pan say all legal means neke say one mobile state of execution ne bia mo appellate court ana bibi e border on the
all those things.
Okay,
all those things. The details will come when we meet, but I can tell you that Tetiano appeal beba, but the details of all the other processes will come when we meet.
So I say state of execution my ni bibia MP ni status yes say yemfen ex MP ana ex honorable ana yemfen den.
Yeah, that's what it means now. Because social rule judgment now. Actually, he shouldn't hold himself as a member of parliament again.
Okay.
So that's what it means now.
Okay. Eje Abraham, memo akwa aba mesa edawase pa.
Me that pa.
Me that say lawyer Abraham Amaliba na a wonderful say nenso so preach am de baye no. Me di Abraham preaching ne baye.
OKFM 101.7